locate and delete iPhone update file. Here in apps you will locate it. It will be in settings symbol. Just tap on it and delete it. After deleting, go back to settings, go back to general again and tap on software update and download it again, re-download it again to see the changes. The third fix is verified time, date and settings. Open settings, tap on general, tap on date and time. From here, make sure set automatically is turned on. Make sure this option is turned on. After this, the fourth fix is to sign out and sign into Apple ID again to fix the problem. For this, in settings, tap on your Apple ID, sign out of your Apple ID, sign out and then sign in again to fix the problem. The fifth fix is ensure stable internet connection is working properly. Check if your Wi-Fi is working properly. If your Wi-Fi is not working, switch to cellular. If your cellular data is not working, switch to Wi-Fi. So that's it. These are the fixes. Thanks for watching. See you in next tutorial.